Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Leo. How are you today?
Hi, Mia. I am fine. Thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Today, I want to talk about clothes. Do you like talking about fashion and what you wear?
Yes, I do. I like to talk about my clothes and my style. Fashion is fun.
Great. I have many questions about your style and your favorite clothes. Can we talk about that?
Of course, Mia. I am happy to share my ideas about fashion.
Leo, what do you usually wear on a normal day?
I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt. Sometimes I wear a sweater if it is cold.
That is simple and comfortable. I like simple clothes too. I often wear a skirt and a blouse.
A skirt and a blouse are nice. Do you like bright colors or dark colors?
I like bright colors. I wear red, blue, or yellow. What about you?
I prefer dark colors like black and navy blue. But sometimes I also wear a colorful shirt.
That sounds good. Colors can change the mood of your day. Leo, what do you wear when you go to work or school?
At work, I wear a nice shirt and trousers. I like to look neat. At school, I wear my casual clothes.
I understand. I like to wear a smart dress when I have an important meeting or class.
A smart dress sounds very nice. It makes you look confident.
Yes, it does. Sometimes I add a light jacket if the weather is cool.
That is a good idea. A jacket can make an outfit look complete.
Leo, where do you buy your clothes?
I usually shop at a small store near my home. I like that store because it has simple and quality clothes.
I often shop at a big mall. I like to look at many different shops and try new styles.
That is interesting. Do you go shopping with your friends?
Yes, I sometimes go with my friend Anna. We like to share ideas about clothes.
I sometimes go shopping with my sister. We help each other choose our outfits.
Shopping with someone is fun. It makes the day more enjoyable.
I agree. It is also a good way to find new styles.
Leo, do you follow any fashion trends?
Yes, I follow some trends. I like to wear clothes that are popular now. For example, I like slim fit jeans and plain t-shirts.
I like trendy clothes too. I sometimes wear a printed top or a floral dress.
Printed tops are very nice. They add a bit of fun to your outfit.
Yes, they do. I also like to wear accessories like bracelets and necklaces.
Accessories are important. A watch or a belt can change the whole look.
Exactly. I try to choose simple and elegant accessories. Leo, do you care more about comfort or style when you choose your clothes?
I think both are important. I like my clothes to be comfortable, but I also want them to look good.
I agree. Sometimes I choose soft fabrics that feel good on my skin.
Yes, soft fabric is very important. I like cotton because it is comfortable and easy to wash.
Cotton is my favorite too. I also like clothes that are not too tight.
Right. Loose clothes can be very comfortable, especially on a hot day.
I also choose clothes that are easy to move in. It makes my day easier. Leo, what do you wear in different seasons?
In summer, I wear light clothes, like a t-shirt and shorts. I also wear a cap to protect my head.
That is good for hot days. In winter, I wear a coat, a scarf, and gloves.
Yes, I need warm clothes in winter. I also wear boots when it is cold.
I like wearing boots in winter too. They keep my feet warm.
In the spring and autumn, I wear layers. A light jacket is enough for those seasons.
I agree. Layers are useful because the weather can change quickly. Leo, what is your favorite piece of clothing?
My favorite item is my blue jacket. It is very comfortable and looks good. I wear it often in the spring.
A blue jacket is nice. I really love my red dress. It is simple, but I feel happy when I wear it.
A red dress is very eye-catching. It shows your personality.
Yes, I think clothes can show who we are.
I also have a favorite pair of jeans. They fit me well and go with almost everything.
Jeans are very popular because they are easy to match with many tops. Leo, do you like to dress formally sometimes?
Yes, I do. When I have a special event, I wear a formal shirt and trousers. Sometimes I wear a suit.
A suit is very elegant. I like to dress up for parties and special events.
Dressing formally makes you feel more confident. It is different from your daily casual clothes.
That is true. I also enjoy wearing a nice dress and heels at formal events.
It is fun to change your style depending on the occasion.
Yes, I like both casual and formal styles. Leo, do you think your clothes show your personality?
Yes, I believe my clothes show a part of who I am. I like simple and clean styles. They make me feel calm.
I feel the same. My style is colorful and creative. It shows that I love art and life.
It is interesting how clothes can tell a story about us.
Yes, every day we choose clothes that we like and that make us happy.
I often choose my clothes in the morning with care. It is my way of starting the day with a good mood.
I also take a moment to look at my outfit in the mirror before I leave home. It makes me feel ready for the day. Leo, do you like to try new styles when you shop for clothes?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I try a new color or a new design. It is exciting to change my look.
I feel the same. I often try different styles when I shop. It is fun to see what looks good.
I sometimes ask my friends for advice when I choose a new outfit.
That is a good idea. I ask my sister too. She has a good eye for colors.
Shopping with a friend is always more enjoyable.
Yes, I enjoy shopping days. I can spend hours looking at different clothes and accessories. Leo, do you care about the price when you buy clothes?
Yes, I do. I like to buy good quality clothes at a fair price. I often look for sales.
I also look for good deals. I like to shop at discount stores sometimes.
It is important to stay within your budget, but you can still find stylish clothes.
I believe that fashion does not have to be expensive. Simple and affordable clothes can be very beautiful.
Yes, I agree. I often find nice t-shirts and jeans at a low price.
I sometimes buy clothes online when they are on sale.
Online shopping is very convenient. You can compare prices easily.
Leo, do you think clothes are part of your culture?
Yes, I believe clothes are part of our culture. They show our traditions and sometimes our family history.
That is very interesting. In my family, we sometimes wear traditional clothes on special days.
I have a few traditional shirts that my parents gave me. They remind me of my heritage.
Traditional clothes are beautiful and unique.
Yes, they are a connection to our past and our identity.
I love that our modern clothes can mix with a bit of tradition. Leo, where do you get inspiration for your style?
I get inspiration from many places. I watch simple fashion shows on TV and follow a few fashion blogs.
I sometimes look at magazines and online pictures. They give me new ideas for my outfits.
I like to see how different people dress. It makes me want to try something new.
Yes, I feel inspired when I see a friend in a nice outfit or when I visit a new store.
Every day, I try to make a small change in my style. It keeps my look fresh.
That is a good idea. Small changes can make a big difference. Leo, have you ever tried a new style and found it difficult at first?
Yes, I have. One time, I tried a bold pattern on a shirt. At first, I felt very nervous about it.
I understand. New styles can be challenging.
But later, I realized that it looked good on me. I learned that trying new things is important.
I feel the same. I once tried a different style of dress that was very different from my usual look. I was nervous, but I loved it.
It is good to experiment with your clothes. You learn more about what you like.
Yes, and sometimes you even find a new favorite piece. Leo, do you have any tips for choosing a good outfit?
One tip I have is to keep it simple. Choose clothes that match and are comfortable. Also, check that your clothes are clean and neat.
That is very useful. I also think that a good mirror is important, so you can see your outfit clearly.
Yes, and I like to plan my outfit the night before. It saves time in the morning.
I do that too. Planning your clothes can help you avoid stress.
I also like to mix and match. For example, I use one pair of jeans with different shirts.
That is a smart idea. It helps you get more use out of your clothes. Leo, what are your fashion goals for the future?
I want to try more new styles and learn more about fashion. I hope to build a small wardrobe of quality clothes that I love.
That is a good goal. I want to learn how to sew. I would like to make my own simple clothes.
Sewing is a great skill. It can help you save money and create a unique style.
Yes, I think making my own clothes will be very creative.
I also want to learn more about colors and patterns. I believe that understanding these things can improve my style.
I feel the same. Learning about fashion can help us express ourselves better.
We can share our ideas and help each other with our fashion goals.
That is a wonderful idea. I look forward to learning new things with you. Leo, I have enjoyed our long talk about clothes and fashion today. I learned many new ideas about daily style, shopping, and even traditional influences.
I enjoyed our conversation, Mia. Talking about our fashion style makes me feel creative and inspired.
I feel happy when I share my thoughts about my favorite outfits and styles. It shows a part of who I am.
Yes, fashion is not only about clothes, but also about our identity. It makes us unique.
I will try to follow some of the tips we talked about and explore new styles.
I will do the same, Mia. I like the idea of trying something new each day, even if it is a small change.
Thank you, Leo, for this wonderful conversation about fashion. I feel inspired and ready to update my wardrobe.
Thank you, Mia. I always enjoy talking about our style with you. Let's keep sharing our ideas and tips.
Yes, let us do that. I hope we can meet again soon to talk more about our new fashion finds.
I look forward to it, Mia. Have a great day and enjoy your style.
Thank you, Leo. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mia.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.